Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about a makeup tutorial that I am doing after so long. And I'm here because a lot of you requested on the poll that I posted on my Instagram that you wanted to see an Indian makeup look this Monday. So here I am with this beautiful, easy, smoky, warm toned makeup look for this whole of festive season that is right ahead of us. So you can wear this Indian look for your Navratri look, or you can wear this for Karwa Chauth or Diwali or any festive day that you have coming along. If you guys are interested to see how I have done this makeup look, please keep on watching this video. First off, I'm going to do my base, and for that I'm using this Embroiless moisturizer with a brush, and this will give me a very nice base when I move on to my foundation. Now firstly I'm going to do my eyes, so I'm going to use this NYX brow mascara in this brown tint, and I'm going to use a spoolie to just evenly distribute my brows well and for the product to sit well. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer to give a nice base to my eyeshadows to pop and also stay in place for a longer period. Using this sugar kajal on my upper lash, so I'm gonna use this kajal and make a rough line because you don't need a proper line because you're gonna smudge it anyways. I'm gonna smudge this and use my hands also so that there are no harsh lines left. Now I'm gonna use this light brown shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use it all over my lid and just use this orange tone on the outer corner and just buff it all well. I'm gonna use the kajal on the lower lash line and use this dark brown shade and just smudge it well, and that is how you get a perfectly even toned eyeshadow. Doing the same on my other eye. And now we are going to move on to lifting our lashes with this lash lifter and using these two mascaras. The first one is the L'Oreal Primer mascara. I'm going to just prime my lashes so that they give me a very nice lengthened look, and I have been using the Sky High mascara since forever now. Now I'm going to move on to my base. For that, using this Lakme Lumi cream, which gives you a very beautiful sheen to your face, also has a property of a moisturizer, and you guys will see after my base is done, it's going to give me the same luminous glow. Now I'm going to use this Nars Sheer Glow in the shade Vanuatu. This is a little dark for me, but we're going to make it work with a lighter concealer. I'm going to buff it all in with this buffing brush, and I'm going to take my time to buff my foundation well to get a very nice base. Moving on to my Too Faced concealer in the shade Natural Beige, and these are all the points where I usually apply my concealer as usual, and even on the dark spots that you can visibly see. I'm using this PAC concealer brush, and I'm just taking my time to buff it all in because you want your base to look just flawless, and for that you need a lot of buffing to be done. Now I'm going to use this K Beauty loose powder and just putting it on all the areas where I had applied my concealer, and this will give you a creaseless finish. Beautiful bronzing glow. I'm going to use the Nars bronzer. I do not like to contour my face very often, so the bronzer is going to give me a sun-kissed look. Now to add a little flush of color to my face, I'm using this Rare Beauty shade of blush, and I absolutely love it. It's divine. Can you guys see how seamlessly it blends into your skin even with a buffing brush? Fixing spray. This is from the Milk Hydro Makeup Fixing Spray. I'm just going to spritz it, wait for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to apply my favorite thing, which is a highlighter by Nude Sticks. This is in the shade Bubbly Baby, and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. The last step that is left to be done is to apply a gloss. This is in the shade Topaz by Maybelline. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to comment below. If you guys try this makeup look, please send me your pictures on Instagram, and I would love to share it on my story. I absolutely love it when you guys try out my tutorials and my makeup looks. And also, if you guys want to see any more makeup looks, please comment down below. I will see you in my next video on Monday. Please be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.